class is to help people get started, because my observation has been that people dabble for years, and all those years is wasted time, and you really want to get the skill growing as fast as possible. So that's really what we are aiming for. And what we've tried to do is we've spread it throughout the day. You have a little bit of time on each of the different topics, the types, operations and constructs. And by the end of the day, we want you to be confident that you can actually work through programming problems. You know where to turn to for help, and we're here to support you, to help you grow and develop your skill, because that's really what our objective and our mission is.
I actually came with an open mind, mostly because I've done a lot of start-stop with these types of courses, and this time I'm like, let me go start from scratch, so that at least I can get the fundamentals back and then build up from there.
To be?
It's beginner friendly, I would say that. Yeah, because the class had we had beginner, advanced, and all. So for me as a beginner, I think I've had a great experience, and the pace was alright. Yeah. So yeah, when I got started, I was always like, yo, help me out with this, and he would like actually come and help me out. So yeah, beginner friendly pace. I love it.
I'd say it's been within my reach. I think also the size of the group helps. So I'm not trying to catch up or not waiting for too long. Able to cut my own pace, able to experiment a bit more. Actually, if I had known, I'd have come with my son, because I've been trying to get him into this, and I think he would be able to keep up at this pace. So next one, hopefully I'll be able to get him enrolled.
Yes, please. Anyone who wants to like start coding and everything, just subscribe to his page and everything. Like, yeah, he's the one to take you where you want to be.
So please join the workshop, come and attend. We'll be holding others throughout the coming months. You're welcome to sign up, and we'd love to have you here. We shall take good care of you and make sure you have a great time through these different workshops. Thank you.